Hi everyone, this is week 2 of our cooking show. Today we're going to make some chicken breast fried chicken. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so I put some vegetable oil into the pan. We're going to, in a second, once this heats up, we're going to put our chicken into it. I just want to make sure we have this pan fully doused in our cooking oil. Alright, good. So we're going to start off by putting our chicken into the flour. It's been sitting in buttermilk. Alright, so we can take our time right now because we have potatoes over here cooking that we're going to use to make mashed potatoes. Alright, so it's okay to get a little dirty in here because
That's what chefs do.
that's what chefs do. So just get in there, get dirty.
My butt itches. Ah.
Okay. Alright, so I think all the chicken's out of the buttermilk. We got it in our flour. Okay. On to the next step. So right now, what we're gonna do is gonna put the chicken into the egg yolk. Okay. Get the chicken bag out. Put it in the flour.
Ice, baby.
All right, so we are about to put our chicken in. How do you know when? Well, when this begins to sizzle, we know that the oil is hot. Okay, so we're gonna grab our chicken. What happened?
It burned all the way over here.
All right, so we're gonna grab our chicken, put it in one by one.
Oh gosh! The link should be in the description.
Okay.
There's a recipe that we'll show you one day, maybe.
All right.
One day.
So we're just gonna keep doing this all the way around, okay? All right, everyone. This is our fried chicken. We'll now just plate this meal, and it's ready to go. All right.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. We want to be ya.
Bye.